Hi plant friends, today we're big box plant shopping at the Home Depot. It's just after the Easter holiday, so I thought I should stop in and see what goodies they've got. First thing that I can see is that they've got loads of plants in stock, but they also have these hydrangeas that are marked down to only 10 bucks. So many goodies in stock. It's a wonderful display, but let's start over here with these potted plants. These ceramic pots are priced at $27. They've got the hurricane ferns, they've got some alocasias in here, as well as some tradescantias. Oh, these Calatheas are pretty good. They're nice and tall. We've seen these before. They've had them in stock for a while now. Both the Alocasias and the Calatheas in these white pots are priced at $37. This pot does look ceramic. It tricks me every time, but it's actually plastic. So you can get the ceramic pot or the plastic pot with a different selection of plants. Now up here they've got the Monstera as well as some Dracaenas. The price on these is $47. A nice selection. Even the bird of paradise is included at a $47 price point. Now over here they've got some African violets as well as the Kalanchoe. This is a beautiful African violet. I'm loving the color. The Kalanchoe is $6, but the African violets, they're only $5. Some Dracaenas as well as the Bromeliads. The Bromeliads are $26 while the Dracaenas are $19. These little globes are so interesting. They're only $27 each. Despite being in the globe, this is looking nice and healthy. Now they also have cactus in arrangements. Let's see what the price is on these. No sticker on the bottom for this beauty. And over here they also have some tropicals. These are priced at $16 each. We've got the Ficus, the Bella Palm, Peace Lily, and Monstera. And down below they've got loads more African violets. And some cyclamens. A nice pop of color in this little area. The cyclamens, they're priced at $6 each. Now over here they've got a humongous bird of paradise. This plant is over 6 feet tall and it's only $100. And over here they've got more tropicals. We've got the ivies priced at $6. And these aglaonemas, $19. The succulents are priced from $6 and up. A nice selection, looks like a fresh restock. Look at this Lola. These calla lilies are beautiful. The calla lilies are $12 each, and down below they've got Gerber daisies for $6. Same price for the Sansevierias. Oh, look at these Easter cactus. And they're loaded with flower buds. They're priced at $9. $12 for Philodendron green. They also have the Peperomioides raindrop. Look at this beauty. It's also priced at $12. And look at these braided money trees. They're only $16. Over here I see some large size ZZ plants for $60. These are some humongous plants, and they're low maintenance and they don't require a lot of light. Here's some more Sansevierias, priced at $27, and they also have Sansevierias priced at $18. Oh, the orchids are looking lovely. These little miniatures are such cute little darlings. They're already potted up in ceramic pots for $10. I love the color on this one. Now this little beauty looks like a mini mark. Not quite a mini mark, but the yellow lip really resembles a mini mark. And this one's pluric, just that one little petal. So cute. What an interesting little beauty. So nice to see. What an interesting selection of orchids. Check out the pineapples. They're priced at $30 and they're in a nice clay pot. This might just be the right time to buy them. They can grow and mature over summer. The pineapples like it bright and they also like it moist. Don't let them dry out for too long before watering. Over here we've got some aloes. These are potted up nicely. I'm loving the green color of these pots, and they're only $22. More large size pots. They've got the palms as well as the dracaenas. But over here, these orchids caught my eye. These dyed waterfall orchids, $35 each. They're already potted up in a nice decorative pot. They look like fun. Let's see what the roots look like. They're potted up in sphagnum moss, so I'd switch this over to orchid bark. Without the food dye, this is just a plain white orchid, but a fun way to enjoy your orchids by adding a little bit of food dye to the water. They also have some more cactus. These are moon cactus. I'm loving the green ones, but they've got loads of other colors too. This is my absolute favorite. Now over here they've got some discounted plants. These Ficus danikis are marked down. They're marked down by 50%, so only 22 bucks each. And there's some crisping on the leaves, so a little bit of cosmetic damage. Some of the crisping can be cut off. Overall, I think these plants can be salvaged. They also have some more cactus and Sansevierias that are discounted. Sansevieria normally $12, now down to $6. Now take a look at this cactus. She's now $11. Just a little bit of cosmetic damage. These are feeling nice and healthy. And look at this Sansevieria. Not bad for $6. Here's some more hydrangeas that are discounted. It's a nice time to come plant shopping after Easter, where you can get some Easter plants discounted. And here's some bulbs. The hyacinths are pretty much bloomed out. But smells wonderful. I say if you've got a yard, it's a good time to pick these up, to plant them in the yard and enjoy them next season. And look at these tulips, just gorgeous. Thanks for watching, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.